What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know if y'all can hear me good. What's going on, y'all? Got a couple sets we're looking for. I'm looking for gold and GU buys right now. Got a new 5 minutes just popped up. Just dropped a new video yesterday for y'all. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. I'll drop the link in the chat right now. Make sure to like the live as I hop up in here. So those that watched the London session live yesterday, gold ended up going as projected. So now I'm looking for buyers right here. We can continue to hold 23.74 as support. Look for buyers going to 23.96 and possibly 24.18. That's what we're going to be looking for right now. And then GU when that's projected as well. Again, it's still very rangy. I was expecting a higher high to get made yesterday, but as you can see, it's still failing to break this resistance level tree as support. You see it hit it yesterday, but you still see it's respecting this level down here as support. So if GU can break and hold 20 as support, we can look for buys going to 28.50 and possibly 28.90. So that's what we'll be looking for right now. And then we'll see possible EN sales pop up. Again, it's just been kind of consolidating here. We was looking for sales yesterday during the live. Again, this is why I was waiting for confirmations, because imagine we'll just look at that sell yesterday. We'll just look at unnecessary loss. You see, it's still respect this low as resistance, like we was talking about as well. Push back down below, failed to hold that as resistance, and now we're just chilling right back on this level. So again, we got our alerts right here. We're just gonna let price do its thing, and we're gonna see how this candlestick closes right here. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We want any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. It's been a little bit of a slow week. I didn't take any trades yesterday because, again, none of my setups I was looking for actually play it out like we just went over. They're just small moves, but they didn't do it off the levels I was looking for buys and sell positions off of. And then we're going to the daily time frame again. Those guys been watching lives this week. Again, we go to here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday. We had price push up, held to hold this low at support. Now price is rejecting. Again, we just had price struggle to hold this level, so nothing we could do yesterday or last night with that. Yeah, so we'll see how today goes. We'll be going live with the numbers later on today during the New York news at 8:30. We got Canadian USD news popping off. We got the non-farm employment, unemployment change, unemployment rates. We'll be going live with the numbers during that. We're live with the numbers on Wednesday. Just pushing on most of it. If not, I'm trying to wait for the close because I'm trying to push now. We'll see how this next 15 moves. So we'll look live with see what the choices are going to be. Got the Bitcoin update video dropping today for y'all also. Be on the lookout for that. Then yesterday, similar situation with GJ. Again, we had the reversal on Tuesday. Price spec level at support. Canceled out that reversal Wednesday. But yesterday, price failed to hold this level at support. We traced back down. So again, there wasn't really good pick on GJ yesterday. I'm liking this right here. I try to join and say pay, I blow another account and try to follow another crap channel with signals. So your name is Troll to begin with. So your statement's not valid there. But since you're in here, let's entertain this. Are you actually a member? How about you drop some more information? Because I'm actually very curious. Because a lot of people love to say stuff like that, but then when we get down to it, you didn't take a signal. You did your own thing. So let's see what you're talking about. So what trade did you take that blew your account? Because if you follow my rules, you shouldn't blow your account off one trade. So again, go ahead and drop some more details. Let's entertain this. Drop some more details. What trade did you take? How much did you risk? And tell us how you blew your account off one trade. Don't lie and try to say it was me. Because again, to this week we only 2 students. So very, very, very interested in what you got to say. So go ahead and drop some more information, Troll. Like you can't even come in here with your real name or like a channel name. You really come in here with Troll. So what are you talking about? You got 30 seconds. You don't type in 30 seconds, I'm just going to block you because I don't got time for the idiots this morning. Especially liars. Like I literally just had someone on my new video claim they watched the entire video I dropped yesterday and then claim the entire video all I did was talk about my course. But I don't even talk about my courses or promote my stuff until the end of every video. So again, a lot of y'all just be saying shit out your ass. So go ahead, tell us what you did, how you blew your account in one trade off a supposed signal, even though I know you're not a member. Yeah, exactly. Just being able to say shit. Those that join the stream who have not entered anything yet, these are just trade ideas. Make sure to go ahead and hit that first thing in the description on our free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Right now, we're looking at possible gold buys, possible GU buys, and a possible EN sells. Everything else, we're waiting for confirmation and retest store. Yeah, I just ended up blocking the dude because the dude was just in here just talking nonsense. Because if you actually follow my rules, it's literally impossible to blow your account in a day, let alone a week. Right? And I just dropped a video last week going over risk reward. If you haven't seen that video on Master Risk Reward in 3 steps, make sure to check that out. Because that video, as well as a bunch of other videos I drop on YouTube on a weekly basis, as well as my content I drop on Instagram and TikTok. If you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all missing out. Make sure to follow me there as well. But I drop tips every day on how to not blow. Well, not every day, but damn near on a weekly basis on how to not over leverage and how not to blow your account. Pretty similar to see how this next 5 minute looks. What's going on, JD? How you doing, my boy? And to the member that joined earlier this week, that was saying the link was not working. You could respond back to me. You left me on red. I can't really help you if you don't reply back. I know you was online with the link out to the live stream, but you can respond back. I'm not gonna blow your phone up, but can't really help you. Don't respond back. He was just online on Telegram not too long ago when I sent the link out. So if you want some help, respond back to me. You know who you are. I'm gonna say your name on here. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. You want to look at any charts? Drop them in the chat. Or we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. What we're doing right now is just waiting for our confirmations. We see Ian struggled last night and yesterday in New York to hold this level as resistance. So we're just waiting to see if we can break and hold this level as resistance. We can hold 75.65 resistance. We can look for possible sells going at 75.20. That's what we're looking for right here. But again, we can see prices just taking a nap right on this level. So there's nothing we can really do about that. We're just patiently waiting. GJ failed to hold this level of support and it's retracing and reversing again. Again, I'm not going for any positions right here. So I don't go for reversals. We'll just try to just catch whatever I'm trying to do. I like to go for high probability setups. So I have no issue with that doing this thing. So gold ended up retracing for us. Again, another example why you always don't want to chase trades and stick to your rules. But y'all was here at the beginning of the live stream. I said gold's a little too high for me, so I'm gonna wait and see if we can retrace, which it did. So again, imagine we would have took a buy here because we had FOMO or because we thought price was going to take off or we was missing out. It would be an unnecessary drawdown, and then on top of that, price would have retraced to where we would have wanted to enter a trade at to begin with. Again, never just rush to enter stuff. I always stay cool, calm, and collected. And then every decision you make on the charts has to make sense. You can't logically explain why you're going for a setup. You probably shouldn't take it. Again, right here, we're kind of struggling to continue the uptrend, right? We was going for these buys here. The week after that, we was going for these buys, right? This higher high up. And then price failed to break this resistance level and treat it as support. Respect to this low as support, though, tried again the next week, failed again, which caused the reversal earlier this week. But then after price reversed, what did it do? It shot all the way back up, where it failed again to hold this level as support. So now we're reversing again. So again, we're just gonna have a bunch of back and forth happen with a lot of the charts. The same thing with GA. Like look at Monday, but prior to that, price broke this level, struggled as you can see for all these wicks to hold this level of support. Tried again. Earlier this week, pushed up, went a little bit higher, and still failed to hold this level of support. Now we're rejecting the reversal. Oh, kind of just like what GJ is doing, right? You look at gold. What do we see with gold? Same thing. Price reverse. We caught these buys this week. We caught this higher high. Hold this level at support. Reverse. They consolidated for literally 2 weeks straight, just bouncing and weaving here. And then again, we look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday candlestick price reversed back up. And then yesterday price pushed back to this level. Now we see today price about to attempt to see if it can hold this level as support. So again, there was only a couple opportunities. But again, for this week, price has just been doing a lot of the same stuff, which is just consolidating and doing retests. Right? We look at EN. Monday, Tuesday. Again, so we have that lower low Monday. If we test how this low as resistance. Wednesday, price pushed down. Right? Raised all the way back up, dropped back down, failed to hold this low as resistance. Now we see price retracing back up again. So again, understanding how to read the charts and what's going on in the charts is going to help y'all out. It's not just simply, especially when things are slow, because a lot of people, when markets are slow, they feel like they're unproductive or they compare it to the week before, which isn't entirely wrong. But a lot of people will be like, well, last week I took this many trades, or on last week, this day, at this time of trade. So we expect every week to be the exact same. But when you understand what's taking place on the charts, the market structure, the trend, and all that, then it'll start to explain and make sense why price is or is not doing what it's doing. And again, when you understand why price is or is not doing what it's doing, you'll be a lot less stressed. It'll help you stay calm and patient because, again, you can't control the market. You can't force the market. So, being impatient is not going to do any justice for you. It's just going to get you emotional, probably make you make bad decisions. There's nothing good for you, right? That's why we just be chilling. You got the chill music on. That's why you always hear me say we're just patiently waiting. Again, I choose my words carefully. I don't just be saying stuff just to say it. I mean, I say that a lot because that's literally what I'm doing, and I want y'all to understand what's taking place, which is why we do these live streams to show y'all that every day is similar but different. Right? Some days we take trades. Some days we see some good volume on the lives. Other days, other weeks, retracements or slow days. But what we do on these lives is always consistent, same thing, which is what? We go with the flow of price, we wait for confidence, this down the third. So we got a new 5 minute just popped up. You guys got any questions, drop in the chat. When we charge up in the chat, and again, you see the price just trying over and over again. Rejecting, 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 rejecting again. Price can't break this low, ain't nothing we can do about that. We just gotta wait to see if it can, or see how it reacts if it rejects it. Let's see if gold can probably go with support. Did a decent push around 11, 12 o'clock last night. The retrace retested as low around 2 o'clock, right before London session started. What's going on, the guy? How you doing, my boy? Those that joined the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Just dropped a new video yesterday for y'all. Make sure to check it out if you haven't already. Playlists are up to date. And I got the Bitcoin update video dropping later on today also. So you want to look out for that. Dropped about, well, it's going to be 3 videos after today. This week, not including the Instagram and TikTok reels. Right, hit that first link. You're going to see, of course, the links to the live. You're going to see how we're doing so far this week. Again, only took two signals this week. I haven't really liked what I've been seeing, so I just didn't call any trades. That simple. You don't see anything you like, you don't enter trades, right? You see something you like, you enter trades. Very simple. Never want to force setups. But this is how we did last month. Last month we went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate. We caught a total of 69,396 pips. You can see some testimonials from last month. You can go ahead and check that out. And you can see this by scrolling to June 3rd, right? Click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of June, well, May, I should say. Again, all wins and losses are posted, screenshots of signals. Every Sunday at the beginning of the week, we got the Sunday chart analysis going over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing the entire week. You check out this week's Sunday chart analysis. Even though price is slow, a lot of charts is not all of them going exactly as projected. Why not say exactly, but they were going as projected? If they went exactly as projected, it wouldn't be all this choppiness for the past couple of days. And then how we're doing so far this quarter. This is how we did April. April we were 15-4, giving us a 79% win rate. We caught 47,957 pips. You can see this by scrolling to May 1st. And as far as how we're doing so far this year, quarter one, we went 20-0 January, caught 37,620 pips. February was 17-1, caught 24,403. In March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips. Ending quarter one, 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate, touching a total of 111,806 pips. So this is how we're doing so far this year. Again, you can click right there. It's going to take you to the beginning of the year, January 4th, where you can see how we did quarter four last year, as well as, again, all wins and losses posted here. Everything's timed and dated, so I can't make nothing shit up. You can just fact check. It's very simple. You go to a date, you see a trade we talked about, you go to that date, see the price did that. That's simple. You know what I'm saying? And then also go to photos. There's over 1,000 photos, just receipts on receipts on receipts, from student results, testimonials, to screenshots of trades I actually took, to screenshots of signals, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description. Check all that stuff out. All right. Check all that stuff out. That's why I do. Came here without BS. I just laughed at it. I was like, okay, prove it. But it wasn't you. But it was just BS, and we knew it wasn't because of me. It was something he did wrong. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'll be laughing at these people who talk about comments. Because they just be saying stuff. They can never back things up. Which makes it funny. Yeah, but as of right now, we're just waiting. I got my alerts, but again, we see price just no volume right now. Don't do it with no volume. You don't understand how volume works. A couple weeks ago, I dropped a video breaking down volume. Make sure to check that out. I'll drop that in the chat right now. But yeah, make sure that first link in the description is on the free signal for Telegram. Shop. Got a couple minutes to the next 5-minute pop up. Gotta push back up here. There's not buy. They get all the way over there. Shout out to all the subscribers, everybody that's been tuning in. Again, dropped a couple videos yesterday and what was it, Tuesday. Got a new video dropping later on today. Be on the lookout for that. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since y'all joined. Again, another slow live stream. Nothing we can do about that though. Make sure to sub to the channel if you're not already. Have that bell on so you're notified when I post today's video. We're almost at 2,400 subscribers. We can get to that easily. Members, we're going to be going live at 8:30 for the New York news, so be on the lookout for that link. If you guys want to contact me directly, I can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. Instagram, _way. You see your scroll at the bottom of your screen. Telegram, free Telegram, first link in the description. Yeah, we'll be back at the same time next week, y'all. London session 3 a.m. EST.